Y'all can see the title. We about to get into something, man. This is a different type of video for Sunday, man. We just want to try something new. But as you can see, bro, I'm not driving out here. We had got hit with a winter storm over the weekend. We've been getting hit with these for a minute. But yeah, we about to get into this garage. I'm gonna be working on the car today, and we got a short little story time. So yeah, man, let's get into this. I gotta move my truck. We got them would always start the beast up. Let's see something. Just know, it ain't no more excuses from here on out, man. We back to the grind, baby. So I had the bad carnage. I should have got this thing washed today because I'm about to put a spoiler on there or whatnot, but I'm probably just gonna clean up the trunk area. Yeah, as you can see, it's real dirty. Like, it's dirty, bro. It's real dirty. The camera picking it up today. It's dirty. Far away, it look cool though, but we got a new spoiler today. We probably gonna be doing the 2-step sometime this week. That should be a real cool video. And I just did a POV video for y'all. That should be out tomorrow, Monday. So we got a lot coming on up. We just hit 1,000 subs. We going crazy. So yeah, man, we about to start getting this took apart real quick. Let's go. I don't even know how to start on this, bro. I ain't never put a spoiler on the car. There's a lot of things I ain't never did before. I put my first set of headers on my uncle. I put my first axle back on. I did my first everything with this car. This is not your ideal first car you want to start working on, because you know what I'm saying, these things is expensive. But you know, you got to start somewhere. Just like I had to start somewhere with YouTube. I wasn't as comfortable as I was now with the camera. So enough of that talking, man. Let's get into this gigantic spoiler. Let's get it, man. Man, what's up, y'all, man? I'm gonna do a late upload today. Well, yeah, today's Sunday. I'm gonna do a late upload. I don't know, man. It just something I feel I had to get off my chest, bro. Let's get into it. One more so say, let's talk about it. All right. Oh yeah, before we get started, I'm gonna put timestamps in here for people that don't really care about what I'm about to talk about. I'm gonna just put the timestamp in there because we're gonna be working on the car today too, but just got a lot on my mind. You know what I'm saying? So it got something to do with similar to why I was gone for like those past 3 months. You know what I'm saying? That's not gonna happen again. Let's get that out the way first. That's not gonna happen again. Had a lot of things going on. So yeah, man, I don't even know how to start this video, y'all, for real. But anyways, we just gonna get this started with, like, basically, y'all might be like, where you coming from with this? But I don't know. It's just been sitting with me, so I gotta let it out. This is the only place where I could do that. But basically what I want to say is, like, this car right here, this isn't just a car for me. This thing was like, this car kind of basically saved my life and brought me back to life, basically. Because those who don't know, like, back in 2019, I was 18, turning 19, and you know that I'm a burn survivor or whatnot. So my accident happened in that 2019. Basically, you know, I was an 18-year-old kid. Imagine going in the hospital for 125 days, and then you got another 30 days in rehab. But you're in ICU and you bedridden. So, like, you gotta know that was like a physical and a mental toll on my body, you know what I'm saying? So, being said, like, lately, like, the motivation has been down, I wanna say. It ain't got nothing to do with YouTube. This is just me, you know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody perfect. I'm letting you know that right now. It might look like we doing good just because I'm making YouTube videos and stuff. But this is what actually, you know what I'm saying, give me something to do. Because if not, I won't be doing anything. I would just be on the couch being lazy, gaining weight, which is what we gonna talk about. So, like, those 3 months that I wasn't on, basically, you know, like, because around, like, October, I just stopped posting. Bro, it's like I just lost all motivation to do anything, not just YouTube. Like, I was just lazy because, like, when I came from my accident back in, like, 2020 when I got home, I wasn't doing nothing but just sitting in my chair because I had to do things to get stronger, you know what I'm saying? I had to learn how to walk again, everything. So that was crazy. And so like I didn't have a desire to do anything because like, you know what I'm saying? I was like, I'm 20, I'm 19. A dude that been through like 23 like life-threatening surgeries, bro. It's crazy. But we ain't about to make this all sad. It's supposed to be like motivational. So that being said, one day I just woke up. I was like, I always had a love for cars, you know what I'm saying? I had an '02 Mustang. It was a V6. It was my first car. I sold that car. I bought this car. And this car right here changed everything for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, this car right here, I named it Carnage. And ever since I got this car, I swear, I've been outside. I actually got strong enough to start back walking again and drive because I really wanted to drive it and stuff. So like it gave me like some motivation to get out here. But then like, man, this video everywhere, but it just been, I just always think about this stuff. So it's better just to let it out. You know what I'm saying? You might listen to it. It might motivate you. If you think you can't do something, well, it was telling me I wasn't gonna be able to do a lot of stuff. So I was like, no, I'm going to be able to do a lot of stuff. So that being said, dude, I was starting to gain weight again because I think I went to like a mental state. I don't know. It's weird. It's like it was like subconsciously like doing it. Like I wasn't paying no mind. But I just noticed like in December, like late December, dude, I was like 273 pounds. I'm used to being like 205 to 210 pounds because I used to power lift before my incident. So I used to power lift like 4 times a day and all that. I was already saving up. At first, originally, I liked Mustangs. I was going to have a 2014. I was going for a 2014 Mustang GT because those were like decent price back then. Now the whole market is fried. But that being said, man, your boy, we back on the grind. Like I'm gonna really try not to. I'm gonna try to at least post 2 times a week to 3. If not, just throw little videos here and there in between those days and stuff. I don't know, man. Shoot, man, we about to, well, what I want to just say is, man, we just been eating right. Lately, I've been going to the gym again. I'm not going to be able to power lift because of my hands and all that stuff, so I can't lift crazy weight or nothing like that, so I'm not doing that again. Just as long as I'm getting healthy. I got to get my stamina back up because, you know, I got a paralyzed vocal cord from having a trach in my neck. So, man, I don't know. I don't know why I just wanted to share that with y'all today, man. But every time y'all come to my channel, you know what I'm saying, I want y'all to learn something new. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's about the cars, me, or just something in general about life, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to learn something new. So, the word of the day we choosing is ambition. You know what I'm saying? It's a strong desire to want to do something or have, what I want to say, strong desire to do something or determination. Determination. That's what I was trying to get out. So yeah, man, out of nowhere, I just had a wake up call in January. I had lost like 24 pounds since then. I'm like 249 right now. I'm feeling good. Can't start the bad working on Carnage again. And yeah, man, I just got a big desire. Well, I just got motivation out of nowhere to start back doing my YouTube, man. And so yeah, man, if you a burn survivor or, you know, say you had an incident or, you know, something in that nature, you know what I'm saying, just work on yourself, man. That's what I did for like those 3 months, man. I just worked on myself, man. But that being said, man, I don't want to bore y'all with all this talking. Somebody might have enjoyed it. Who knows? Somebody might have enjoyed it. It might have helped somebody out. I hope this helps somebody out. I don't know if I did too much talking or whatnot, but we about to get in today's video. So let me grab this GoPro down, man. I don't know what they got into me today, but it was a little. Alright, y'all. We gonna do some POV installation today. Y'all read the instructions with me. So it's like we got the car parked. We gotta open up the trunk. Remove the plastic bumpers and clips from the felt lining, underside of the trunk lid. Use caution when prying the plastic clips, they may break. Also remove the rubber plugs. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory, so I guess we gotta take all of this off and all these rubber plugs. So yeah, look like this is the one for the job right here. We about to just go ahead and fast forward and pop all these out. Who knows how long this gonna take me. Dude, what the heck? That thing just flew. I remember last time you take these on like this. Okay. Put that all in there. Now they said we need to, oh, I feel it in there. It's a 10 millimeter in there. Most of the wing off now. Oh, my voice cracking. So what I did was I double wrapped this flathead up, and you just, not too much force, you just trying to get it in there, get some of that tape off. There you go. Makes sense. Makes sense this wasn't gonna be as simple. I'll be back, y'all. After all that prying and building, finally got the thing off. All right, y'all, we ain't doing nothing now. We got the spoiler off. There's a lot of silicone left on here, or glue, whatever it is. I'm heating this stuff up so I could just wipe it off. It's coming up pretty easy with my finger, so. I just sprayed like some glue remover, not glue remover, but like decal installer. It's like a surface prep. All right, y'all, we got it all cleaned up. Then we ready to start installing the spoiler now. We prepped the surface. I got the hose cleaned up as good as I can. And yeah, we ready to move on to the next part of instructions. So where are the instructions? Oh, okay. Once the factory spoiler has been removed, clean the surface, remove any leftover adhesive done, thoroughly wipe down the mounting surface with detailer. That's what I did. Use the surface. Once the surface is smooth, wipe down the area with alcohol, which I did. If it was equipped with an SS or a Z01 spoiler, or did not originally have a spoiler, you might have to use the template that they gave me. So I had a 1LE spoiler, so I don't need to use this. I don't need to puncture holes in the spoiler because we already have holes in the spoiler. So here we go. Some holes from your factory may not be used to prevent any potential leaks. We recommend covering these holes. Installing your spoiler. So I watched Fast Tech do it. They just did double-sided tape. So since we already have all the holes, we gotta go in here. We gotta install the studs to the new spoiler. So I'll be back. Okay, here we go. They actually got Allen wrenches on there so you could tighten them down. I don't know. It's just, that thing look crazy, y'all. See, I'm gonna have to take this off first, though. I gotta see what holes aren't gonna get used. Where I keep losing the instructions, but I'm terrible. I'm terrible. Put in like double-sided tape around this, like a circle, so you could press it onto the car. I thought of that as a seal too. That way water wouldn't get in either. That might be what I do. Jeez, let's see. Yeah, we might be doing double-sided tape on ours. So what I came up with was an alternative to that. So When these two clamp to the body, that should squeeze it to the spoiler. You see what I did right there? So now it's like a seal. So when they clamp together, when you bolt it together with the nut and the washer, from my theory, that should seal it. Okay, that I cut too much off. Now we should be ready to slap this thing on here. I'm trying it all the way off. Okay, y'all. Moment of truth. Let's get it. So we got double-sided tape as seals down there so water can't get in. So when we tighten up the bolts, it should clamp them together, the double-sided tape surface, double-sided tape under there. So all we gotta do is this. Yeah, that's hard. It's hard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta go get this thing washed up real quick so we can take a picture. It was none of that tight, so we're not gonna go too crazy. It was like tight in hand. Man, I ain't even done yet, y'all, but bro, that looks hard, bro. Like bro, I'm gonna get y'all a back end view, but bro, look at this. Bro, just looking at that from this angle, bro. We go get outside, bro. No, we probably gotta go outside with this one. Can't really see it in the garage too much. How much that poke out? It poke out about 3 inches from the bumper. Yeah. All right, that's it for today's video. We done working on the car.